My name is Aubrey. My age is 12. I just turned 12 this year, and I train at Rideau Sports Center. I was born in China, and I was actually being a ball boy when my dad was playing, and then I just got in love with it. So my training time got more and more, and I ended up playing competitive. So, yeah. I'm pretty good at playing defense. I like staying at the baseline and then maybe counter some balls and hitting neutralizing opponents and hitting more angles. I'll try to make my movements and my change of direction. Obviously, I'm a defense player, so I'll improve my attacking, approaching, and at the net. So yeah, at the net mostly. They can spot them and they can change them with some singular words, and that makes a big difference. And they're very experienced.
Yep, so I've been working with Aubrey since September, and he's very receptive to feedback. He works really hard. He's one of the hardest workers we have. He is incredibly smart on the court. The one thing about Aubrey is he really knows how to win, and that makes him really coachable. And he plays with a lot of heart, and he likes to compete, which is, I find, something that's very difficult to teach. So watching him train and then put that into matches is really satisfying as a coach to see, because he's implementing what he's been working on the court, and then he puts it into play when he plays matches.
I talk to myself in the mirror, of course, and sometimes have a pep talk with my mom or my dad, and they give me confidence too. So yeah.
Every time he steps on the court, I want him to believe that he can beat anybody who's on the other side. So if we continue the process, continue working on what he needs to improve, then I think Outdoor Nationals is more than a possibility. And I think, a good strive is for a top 10 finish. And I think that's definitely possible for him. Anything is.
Yeah, the first one that I won U14, first time I won U14 3-star, and I played my best there, the finals. I was playing really well. So my other goal is to try to make outdoor nationals. I already made indoor nationals. So yeah. And I have a very good chance this year. Improves my thoughts. I think more when I do something, and like I can have lots of perseverance when you're down in tennis games, and you get used to it and you come back. So yeah. And do your best and train the best, and you gotta, as my coach said before, when you train, you try to be your best. So you gotta know what you're working on, and even if you're not playing that well, it's okay, and you'll improve later. So yeah.